Air, the invisible force powering industry. Every machine, every production line, every leap forward begins here. Compressed, powerful, precise. We harness it to cut, build, craft and create. In India's industrial heartland, where precision meets performance, one name stands tall, trusted, proven, and is driven by excellence. Welcome to Indo-Air Compressors Private Limited. A vision ignited in Gujarat to transform compressed air technology across the globe. What began as a modest workshop crafting precision components for industry leaders carried the promise to something greater. And in 1999, we were ready and Indo-Air was born. From pioneering beginnings to becoming synonymous with reliability and engineering excellence, the journey has been extraordinary. Today, from our 67,275 square feet state-of-the-art facility in Katwada GIDC, Ahmedabad, to industries spanning continents, we are redefining compressed air technology. Behind every transformation stands exceptional leadership. Mr. C.M. Panchal, Chairman and Managing Director, a technocrat visionary who transformed a workshop into an industrial powerhouse.
Our compressors are proudly made in India and trusted globally.
Mr. Kuntan Panchal, Managing Director, driving Indo-Air toward new horizons with modern vision and momentum. Together, backed by dedicated professionals, they lead with one clear mission: empowering industries through innovation, quality, and performance.
We provide innovative, reliable, and performance-driven compressor solutions that consistently delight customers globally.
Our engineers don't just meet standards, they set them. Every compressor adheres to rigorous global benchmarks. But certification is only the beginning. We add value through design excellence, staying ahead of technological evolution. Spanning 67,275 square feet, our advanced manufacturing facility is equipped with cutting-edge CNC machine centers, HMCs, VMCs, vertical turret lathes, boring lathes, and precision lathes. Every component is engineered with meticulous attention to detail. Our product portfolio includes reciprocating compressors, oil-injected rotary screw compressors, oil-free water-cooled medium-pressure compressors, oil-free water-cooled high-pressure compressors, high-pressure booster compressors, oil-free medium-pressure compressors, reciprocating vacuum pump. Our advanced testing facilities ensure uncompromising quality through rigorous physical analysis, dimensional verification, surface integrity checks, and NDT check. Specialized nozzle testing validates airflow efficiency, pressure stability, and performance consistency. Every unit undergoes multi-stage evaluations by our experienced technical team, guaranteeing that only products meeting our exacting standards reach our customers. Indo-Air state-of-the-art R&D department drives continuous innovation through advanced CAD systems, comprehensive analytical tools, and rigorous testing facilities. Our team of highly skilled engineers leverages cutting-edge technology to push boundaries in performance, efficiency, and design, delivering next-generation solutions that meet evolving industry demands. Headquartered in Ahmedabad, Indo-Air serves customers across India through an extensive network of dealers, distributors, and regional engineers. Our international presence spans key global markets, establishing Indo-Air as a trusted brand synonymous with quality, reliability, and innovation. Trusted by industry leaders nationwide and beyond. Recognized as a one-star export house. Honored with EEPC India, Top 100 SME and Quality Mark Awards. Indo-AIR is taking Indian engineering excellence global. Our commitment goes far beyond installation. It marks the beginning of a long-term partnership. Indo-AIR delivers unmatched after-sales support, backed by efficient systems and round-the-clock service assistance. With a team of highly trained technicians equipped with modern diagnostic tools, we ensure faster response times, accurate solutions, and minimal downtime. By maximizing operational performance and reliability, we don't just service machines. We empower businesses and partner in their continued success. Indo-Air Compressors, where a journey shaped by years of expertise meets cutting-edge innovation, where global standards align with unwavering dedication. From Ahmedabad to the world, engineering excellence, empowering industries, enriching lives. Indo-Air Compressors Private Limited.